everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am actually going to be putting in some placeholders into a couple of my envelopes. I have one that's fully funded and I need to swap out either one or two for these like $1,000. Oh, actually I have to take 500 back. So I'm going to be taking some money back to the bank and just keeping it there since I have one fully funded and I think I reached 500 in cash in another envelope. So the one that I know for sure is fully funded is my registration envelope, which my registration isn't due until March. So I already have the payment for that. I'm kind of guesstimating how much it's going to be based off of this year's payment. So I just saved what I paid for this year, which was $230. So I have 1, 2, 10, 20, 25, 30. So $230 and for that payment. So now I'm just going to take this money out. I have a couple of savings account. I have one savings account that is just for all the money that I'm putting placeholders for. So that kind of just sits in the bank and gets a little bit of interest. Actually, I need to look into more like high yield interest accounts, but for now, just putting it in my savings account over there. I'm just going to take this cash back, and then I'm just going to take this. I made this off of off of my computer. I just did a little thing on Canva, just dollar signs and fully funded. Not super elaborate, but kind of does the job. And then I printed it on vellum and then I laminated it with some 5mm laminating matte sheets. So that's how I got this little placeholder. I'm actually going to have placeholders like the download on my Patreon. I'm going to put that up this month. So I think I'm going to do the 500 because I have a 500 placeholder and then a 1,000 placeholder. That way I can like give my patrons the printable. So if you're interested in that, that'll be over there on my Patreon. But this one I'm going to use for here. So now this says fully funded in this envelope, which I like. I like how that looks. I think that worked out pretty well. I did a lighter version, but I felt like it didn't pop in that one. So I like that darker one. So this cash, I'm actually going to just put aside over here for now. And I might do a little condensing. Yeah, I might do some condensing in some of my envelopes because I think I could do like some of them. I just did a condensing and I don't think I have too much to condense, but since I have some money here, some larger bills that I can use in some of these envelopes, I'm going to do that. But first, I have another envelope that I need to take care of because this one has, in cash, should have 521. I already have 1,000 in the bank. So in cash, I have 1, 2, 3, 400, 420, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90. Oh, wait. Did I count that right? 500. I'm sorry, I have to recount this. 1, 2, 3, 400, 420, 440, 460, 70, 80, 90, 500, 5, 10, 15, 20, 21. So 521 in cash. So I'm just going to take, okay, all of this, it should be 500. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 500. So all of that is coming back to the bank, and I'm actually going to put, actually need to grab 1,000 placeholder. Let me put this in the little tray first because it'll just be a little bit easier so I don't mess myself up. Okay. So I already have two 500s. I actually need to swap this for a 1,000. So now I'm going to have 1,500 in the bank. So I have 1,000. I'm just going to keep one of these 500s. So that way I have 1,500 in the bank. And then in cash, I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 21. And I can actually take these 5s and swap that for a 20. So now I have 21 in cash and 1,500 in the bank. For treat yourself. Okay. Okay, so those were the 2 envelopes that I was able to condense, or sorry, take money out of to take back to the bank. Now I'm just gonna go through my envelopes. Again, I don't think I can condense too much, but since I have the cash here, I'd rather see if I could use these, especially the hundreds, before I take them back to the bank, if I can. So in auto repair, I have 165. Okay, I don't have any 50s. If I have 50s, I can come back to this. But for now, I could at least do, I don't know if I'll have 50s. So I'm just gonna do a 20 here and just condense it, because I don't know if I have any 50s. I have 100, 20, 40, 60, 65. So 165. Christmas, I know I can't condense this because I only have 110 in cash. So that's gonna stay as is. Electronics. Okay, I can condense this a little bit. So, how much do I have in here? Actually, I have 285. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. So I can do just another 20. So I don't have any 50s yet. If I had 50s, I could do a little bit more. Okay, so that is 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 85. So 285. And electronics. Emergency. I have a 50 here, but I don't think I can condense that anymore because there is 380. So I guess I'll just do 20 and a 10. So 20, 20. Okay. Oh, I don't have any 20s. I can't do that. Never mind. Okay, so I'll put this back because maybe I'll have more 20s in a bit. All right, so let me make sure I have it right now. 1, 2, 3, 350, 60, 70, 75, 80. 380. Okay, I need to see if I can get some 20s. That one's good. That one's good. Okay. Let me go in my savings. I think I might be able to do something in here. All right, so I have some in the bank already. Oh, okay, you know what? Let me swap this out because I have 2 500 placeholders and I finally made this 1,000 one. So I'm just gonna swap this for this one. Get rid of those. So now I just have 1 placeholder, which is good. And then can't do much with that. So that's gonna stay. All right, $2 challenge. Let's see what I got. Oh, I got lots of dollars. All right, oh, perfect. So here's some 50s. So swapping this for 100, 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. Okay, so 74. So I guess I could grab another 50. But I kind of want to save these 50s for the other envelope. So I think I'm just going to do 20s. Oh, but I don't have 20s. Okay, let me take care of these ones at least. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, so I can do a 10 and a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So $10. And then a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let me put all this back. Oh, I can do another 10. Let me do another 10 on this. Okay, that's it for that one. I think that one's pretty good. I'm actually almost done with this challenge, so nice. Okay, so in here I have another 50, 20s. And I can't do 100, so I can do a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $5 here. Okay, so that should be good there. Okay, and then here I can condense this a little bit. Oh, I need 20s. Okay, let me find 20s because 20s are very much needed. I think I might have 20s in here. Okay, so I got a few hundreds. Oh yes, lots of 20s. So 20, 40, 60, 81. So that's 20, 40, 60, 81. Yes, that's 100. And then 20, 40, 60, 65, 70. Do I want to swap these for 50s? Kind of want to keep them. Okay. I'll just do 10 on here. And I think this should be good for now. Yeah. Okay, I think this one also has maybe some money I can do too. All right, so I have, oh yeah, I have lots of 20s in here. Actually can do 100. So let's see, 20, 40, 60, 81. That's 100. Okay, I was able to do, I think I was able to do a little bit more than I thought I was gonna do. 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So I can do 20, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I'll do a 20 here. And then the 1. So I'm left with 150, 70, 90, 91, and 91. Great. All right, what was the other one that I wanted to do? 20s. I think it was this one. Yeah, okay. So I could do 120. Oh, actually I could do 50. Oh wait, no, I was gonna say the 50s. I remember now. Okay, let me go back to this one. Let's see, I think there was some things I could do in here, but I forgot which ones it was. Maybe it was this one. Yeah, I think it was this one. Okay, so I have I would have to do, okay, if I want to do this one, 20, 40, 60, I would just get a 50 and a 10. And that leaves me with 2 bills instead of 3 bills. So 60. Okay, so that's 150, 60, 65, 165. All right. Christmas is good. Electronics, I think I can do again. Yes. 20, 40, 60. So again, I can do a 50 and a 10. So in electronics, I have 1, 2, 250, 270, 80, 85, 285. Okay. I think those were the only ones in there. And then I'm just gonna go into this last one. This one shouldn't have super large amounts in here. Beauty, I only have 15, so that one's good. Clothing is nothing. Content has 86, so I guess I can do, no, I can't do anything with this either. And honestly, I'd rather, yeah, no, I can't do anything, so it doesn't matter. All right, so Costco has 10, so I can't do anything with that. Nothing for Disney. Okay, I can do family. I can do a 20. So I'll do that. Fun has 30, so that one's, I think that one's good. If it's a 10, yeah, 10. Gifts, I'm gonna leave it as it is. Holiday decor has 12, so that one's good. Home decor has 10, so let me just do actually a $10 bill for these 2 5s. $10. Household has 22, so yeah, I'm gonna change that to a 20, 22. Planner stuff has 35, so that one should be all set. And Target has 21, which is all good. Okay, so yeah, couldn't do much in that one, but kind of figured that. All right, so the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna count, make sure I have the correct amount going back to the bank. Actually, I still need, how much do I have actually? How much is going to the bank? 230 plus 500. So 730 is what I should have. 730. All right, so in hundreds I have 1, 2, 300. In 20s, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, so 240. 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. It's 100. 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. And then the last bit is, oh geez, I already forgot what I was gonna, was it 720? No, 730, sorry, 730. Okay, so I should have 25 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, this is why I need to write things down because I almost messed up. All right, so I have 730 going back to the bank, which is correct. That's the money for my registration. And the 500 for treat yourself. That's going back to the bank. All right, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I put out content every single day. There's always something on my channel to watch every single day, sometimes twice a day. But yeah, definitely hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next video.